Ansonwa mame efwa otua gold obinche akansa editua subioma technical and vocational institutions no so e wasa ban pejam na ntretre pa sabeya mabunu dodo no anso edo ho behyem.
If Ghana is to build a resilient, inclusive and creative economy, we must elevate the status of technical and vocational education. We must invest in technical and vocational training, youth entrepreneurship, culinary innovation, modern training equipment and facilities, strategic partnerships between schools, industry, and policy makers. Creativity is not a hobby, it is an economic force. I call upon government agencies, institutions, development partners, corporate Ghana to support institutions like EKGS and the thousands of young people whose future depend on these skills.